Is technology a double-edged sword for our children? As parents, we often grapple with this question. On one hand, technology is an invaluable resource. On the other, it can be a Pandora's box full of potential dangers. So, how can we ensure that our children are reaping the benefits of technology without falling prey to its pitfalls? The first step is to understand the online world your child is navigating. Equip yourself with knowledge about the popular apps, games, and social media platforms that children frequent. This is not about spying on your child, but about understanding their digital landscape. Remember, you can't guide them through a territory you know nothing about. Next, establish open communication. Encourage your child to share their online experiences with you. This creates a safe space for them to come to you with their concerns or questions about the online world. A third strategy is to set boundaries. Just as you set boundaries in the real world, it's essential to set them in the digital world as well. This could involve setting screen time limits or designating certain times of the day as technology-free. Another strategy is to make use of parental controls. Many devices and platforms have built-in parental controls that can help you monitor your child's online activity. These can be used to block inappropriate content, limit screen time, and even monitor online interactions. Lastly, but most importantly, educate your child about online safety. Teach them the importance of protecting their personal information, the dangers of interacting with strangers online, and the potential consequences of sharing inappropriate content. In summary, the key to helping your child navigate the digital world safely and responsibly is a combination of understanding, communication, boundary setting, the use of parental controls, and education. Remember, the goal isn't to shield your child from technology, but to equip them with the tools and knowledge they need to use it safely and responsibly.